Our topic is variable separable differential equation. In variable separable, we have a standard form of p of x dx plus q of y dy equals to 0. In finding the general solution of variable separable, we will just integrate the p of x with respect to x, and then the q of y dy with respect to y is equals to c. Example number 1. Find the general solution of dy over dx equals to x squared over 1 minus y squared. Since it is not in standard form, we will just cross multiply these two. We will have 1 minus y squared dy equals to x squared dx. Transpose, we have x squared dx minus 1 minus y squared dy equals to 0. Since all of the variables are separated and isolated, we can integrate now. The integral of x squared dx is equals to x cubed over 3, copy negative, the integral of 1 dy is y, the integral of negative y squared is negative y cubed over 3. This is equals to c. Distribute negative, we have x cubed over 3 plus y cubed over 3 minus y is equals to c. Multiplying both sides by 3, we have x cubed plus y cubed minus 3y equals to 3c. Since 3 is also a constant, we can remove that number 3. Our final answer will be x cubed plus y cubed minus 3y equals c. Okay, example number 2, find the general solution of y prime equals to x squared over y. We all know that y prime is equals to dy over dx, and then equals to x squared y. Cross multiplying, we have y dy is equal to x squared dx. Transposing x squared, we have x squared dx minus y dy equals to 0. Integrate, we have x cubed over 3 minus y squared over 2 equals to c. Multiply both sides by 6, we have 2x cubed minus 3y squared is equals to 6c. The same as example number 1, we will remove the constant 6. Our answer will be 2x cubed minus 3y squared equals to c. Example number 3. Find the general solution of y prime plus y squared of sin x equals to 0. First is convert y prime to dy over dx plus y squared sin x equals to 0. Transposing y squared sin x to the right, we have dy over dx equal to y squared negative y squared sin x. Isolate the variables, we have dy over y squared equals to sin x dx, negative sin x dx. Transposing negative sin x dx will give us sin x dx plus dy over y squared equals to 0. Since we do not have formula for dy over y squared, by law of exponents, y squared 1 over y squared is equals to y raised to negative 2 dy equals to 0. And now we can integrate these two. The integral of sin x dx is negative cosine x plus the integral of y raised to negative 1 is equal to y raised to negative 1 over negative 1 equals to c. In lowest term, we have negative cosine x plus minus y raised to negative 1 equals to c. Multiply both sides by negative, we have negative cosine x plus y raised to negative 1 equals to negative c. Since it is also a constant, remove the negative on the c. Continuing the lowest term, we have cosine x plus 1 over y is equals to